Iai pamori gotena hurbarua. Napono lemo na patulemu. Wari gina hemo mo na giluta isang atule na lambutinere na rorag na luhua.
Ayo, gue.
Wate itina bina siya niyabi. Kasalari wali mena batotokan tayo. Ilataw mena ati-ati na rorag na luhua. Hindi mo ginagin sa nagirigoto. Na lalagin na ibas na tininra gitu.
Musang tabang kali baru kuro kita kirigot na bunyang gona tamanda. Nang gona siririgot men na matan kulibu bici. Tawa dia kebu menguso soya mentu ke dombo. Ore ewa. Ore ewa ayo ya tani ayo ore wakikwa ayo bina na bali bundu.
As you know, this is a very important week for us. We have a substantial amount of guests in the country for the Tourism Expo. As usual, we are here first. We seek your blessing also for this. We have international buyers and quite a few local sellers in our own tourism industry. And it is a very important day for us. So I thank you on behalf of Tourism Fiji, on behalf of the ministry, and on behalf of the government. Today for accepting and also for your blessing. Thank you very much.